Now please turn to page 8 of Chapter 34. Let's look at the STSE connections. It's about technology. Impacts of ever-increasing use of heat energy from chemical reactions on technology and environment. Because of rapid economical growth, the global fossil fuel demand has been increasing. Can you see that? The reserve of fossil fuels in the world is estimated to run out over the next 100 years. Okay, here is the chart. Therefore, scientists have been urged to look for alternative energy sources for many years. The use of alternative energy sources like nuclear power, hydroelectric power, etc. requires development of more advanced technologies. In Hong Kong, solar power and wind power are more commonly used alternatives to burning fossil fuels. Now look at these two photos, solar power station and wind power station in Lemmer Island. In addition to saving the valuable reserve for fossil fuels, we need to solve the pollution problems caused by the burning of fossil fuels. The combustion of fossil fuels releases tons of carbon dioxide that leads to global warming. Because carbon dioxide is one of the greenhouse gases. Furthermore, the emission of nitrogen oxides, do you remember? Nitrogen oxides is a collective name. It involves nitrogen monoxide, nitrogen dioxide, dinitrogen tetroxide, etc., and sulfur dioxide to the atmosphere badly affects the air quality and causes the formations of acid rain. Now look at the question follows. 1. What technologies are needed for developing the use of solar power and wind power in Hong Kong? Now you may copy the answer, okay? Just a reading question. Technology, photovoltaic modules and wind turbines. Okay? Next, let's talk about the next one. What problems does global warming lead to? Global warming. There are a lot, okay? You may tell me two of them. The first one, melting of ice caps at the North Pole and the South Pole. As a result of the melting, sea level would rise, causing flooding in low-lying coastal areas. Besides, climate would change. This would cause damage to agriculture and reduce the world's food supply. Understand? Next, how does the emission of nitrogen oxides and sulfur dioxide badly affect the air quality? Now actually, nitrogen oxides and sulfur dioxide are air pollutant. Okay, air pollutant. Now I would like to write down two equations. They will dissolve in rainwater. Do you remember? To form HNO2 and HNO3. Balance this equation, put 2 here, okay? To form acid rain. These are acid, so that the rainwater becomes acid rain. SO2 dissolve in water, please bear in mind. H2SO3 not fall, okay, is produced. Okay, therefore they will cause acid rain as they dissolve in rainwater to form acids. Besides, nitrogen dioxide, please copy this down, okay, can cause the formation of photochemical smoke. Please, formations of photochemical smoke. Okay, so please highlight this one. Bear in mind, nitrogen dioxide can cause photochemical smoke.